guys, from Barbara, and welcome back to my ketogenic channel. This week video is a little bit special because if you follow my Instagram account, you already know that I'm not at home. This is not my home. I'm in Sevilla, south of Spain, and I will spend here the last day of 2021. So I'm doing this video to wish all of you an amazing 2022. I hope it will be better than this year. I'm sure about it, and I'm very happy because Sevilla is an amazing place. So after my little talk, I will go with you walking around this beautiful city. I hope you will like anyway, and I wait for you next week because as you know, I've been to Portugal before and now I'm in Spain. So next week video recipe will be from Portugal. It will be a treat, a Portuguese treat that is really incredible, delicious, super yummy. And on the following week I will do a Spanish recipe. So my trips are always food inspired because I love eating and I love keto. So I get inspiration from every country I visit, every city I visit, and from all of you. So this video is also to thank all of you and to asking something special. Please write down below your city or your country because I want to know you a little bit better. Where are you from? This will be very interesting. And also if you have a special food from your city or from your country that is ketogenic, and then I can learn how to do it and maybe do it for you and for everybody else in this community. I'm very happy to be here with this group because you are all very polite, very nice, and very supporting to each other. So this is an amazing way to help to have more keto recipe from different countries and with different flavors. It will be fun, I think. So write down your city and your favorite ketogenic food. I hope you will come now with me to visit Sevilla because we are going for our walk together, and I wish you all again an amazing 2022. Fingers crossed. Bye. Guys, I wanted to show you my favorite place. That is this beautiful square full of trees with oranges. So from here I tell you goodbye, see you next week, and I really hope you will subscribe to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English. See you soon and have an amazing 2022.